Here's a gut shot of the Kicker Impulse old school amp. My brother gave it to me. I think he found it in an old car at the salvage yard or something. It's got the inputs, high level input, regular RCAs, gain 70 hertz to 110, high pass, low pass mode, your bass boost and treble, EQ for it. You can see one of the MOSFETs has been burnt. That's why he told me one of the channels don't work, and that's why. And also I seen it burnt, I think right there. But it's got a big, I think this is, no, I don't say big, but this is a 50 volt cap, 25 volt cap. These are 35 volt caps. But I'm sure in its day this was a pretty good little amp. I'd probably still use it to run a door speaker or something. Yeah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it just for nostalgia, you know. I'm gonna clean it up and everything. Somebody put the wrong fuse in it. It takes a 30 amp fuse. It's got a 25 in it. So 30 amp fuse, I guess this thing's capable of putting out 300 watts. But yeah, just messing around. Just wanted to show you guys that. I thought it was pretty cool, you know. It's always nice to see the guts of an old school amplifier. I'm not for sure on the year of this amp. I didn't look it up or anything. I just was out here messing around and decided to open it up and take a look. But yeah, this is the Kicker Impulse 652XI stereo power amplifier. Wow. Anyway, just want to show you all that late